Smash Engineering. Now in this video, I was lucky enough to go to a show where they had hit and miss engines on display. Now if you don't know a whole lot about a hit and miss engine, it is a 4-stroke internal combustion engine that's controlled by a governor to operate at a set speed. The idea was conceived in the late 19th century and produced from probably about 1890 all the way up till about 1940. Now these engines are just an amazing piece of machinery. They were actually fairly fuel efficient. And as you can see here in this video, these hit-miss motors are used in a variety of different applications and could do a sustained amount of work that an animal just couldn't keep up with. As always, thanks for watching. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me if you could. Throw a like up on there and leave me some comments in the comment section. Have a great day. Much love to all.